Hey YouTube lovies, it's BrandedCleopatra back in again with another video. How you doing, man?
Make a song about me.
Oh, but clearly you can see that I'm back at it again with another video. Cause you're back. No, I'm just kidding. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the likes, the comments, and the subscriptions. So go ahead and drop a subscription right there, and a comment and a like. Thanks. So how's everyone doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're feeling blessed. I'm feeling blessed. God has truly blessed me. And I just be like, what did I ever do to deserve these blessings? But I know why, because I am a child of God and I always praise his name. So anyway, as you can probably tell, it's a Boxycharm video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it because I know you guys don't like me talking too much. Oh. And yes, this is the same shirt. Let's see what we got. Boxycharm. They could have put it like, you know, Boxycharm. So this is September's box. And this is what it looks like inside, you know, the goodies. So the first thing that caught my eye was this Becca product. Let's see what we got here. This is a Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna get this open. Yeah, translucent powder. Sorry for that extra. I love it. Oh, golden bronze. Great. When I run out of my Laura Mercier, I'll definitely be using this one. This is regularly $39. That's I think Laura Mercier is probably like 45 or 40. So thanks, Boxycharm. And I have another translucent powder that I got from Boxycharm, I think too, but it wasn't like a big brand name. But yeah. So, and then the next, I'm gonna grab these two at the same time because they're the same brand. Bow! So these are clearly eyeshadows. They are glimmer shadows. Excuse me. And they are red. Ace Beauty. Or Beauty. And they are regularly $25. And next thing, it looks like it's gonna be a face product. Ooh. Okay, so this is Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refreshing. Oh, sorry. Why do I say things so fast? So this is gonna be this is Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, translucent and luminous. Check it out. I'm not gonna put any of it on because I need to take a shower because I just went to the gym and then played Pokemon Go for about an hour. So this product is regularly anyways, this product is regularly $39. The next product is gonna be this one. It is a Wander product and it's a glow ahead illuminating face oil. Delicious. Another face product. I'm really gonna start getting involved in my face. Yeah, so enough said about this. Besides the price, and this is regularly $42. Okay, Wanderer, you making your money. is Stephen Laurent. See, I thought this was Saint Laurent when I looked at it, but then because the flash is on, so as soon as I look at the paper, there's like a dot in the middle, like the light. So I was like, ooh, and then I was like, Stephen. Oh. Okay. Laurent. But anyways, this is a lip liner and it's regularly $15. And it looks like it's kind of like a burgundy. That's cute. That'll definitely be used. But yeah, so that is it for the September Boxycharm from BrandedCleopatra. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my latest videos and my latest vlogs to Rollingloud and Coachella. You know, the real solo traveler trips, okay? You get all, and I mean, yeah, just go check them out. I'm not even gonna explain them to you right now because you need to go watch them. They're pretty legit, so bye, lovies.